for better mixing. A fuel injector nozzle at the center sprays fuel into the stream. There's an igniter plug, not unlike a car spark plug, positioned in the path of the fuel-air mixture. The engine starter at the gearbox gets everything rotating. The starter also works as the electric generator when the aircraft is running. It has its own cooling air intake in the side of the cowling. Air and fuel mix while the engine spins up. The igniter plug ignites the mixture. Once burning, the process will continue on its own as long as air and fuel are supplied. The heat and pressure from expanding combustion gases now passes to the turbine section to drive various turbine wheels. Turbines have many blades to efficiently take power from combustion gas. Between these turbine wheels, there are rows of stationary blades called stators to guide gases straight through the passage instead of just twisting with the turbines. Turbine sections are split between two separate key engine functions. The first two turbine stages are connected to a shaft which drives the forward air intake process. This is called the gas producer turbine. The remaining two turbine stages connect to a hollow shaft that wraps around the compressor shaft and extends into the engine gearbox, eventually powering the main rotor. This is the power turbine. It can also be called a free turbine since it has no physical connection to the gas producer. The exhaust gas flow turns 90 degrees as it enters the exhaust chamber, having spent its energy. Exhaust is guided out the top and towards the back through a curved pipe. At the front of the engine, we see the compressor section. Drawing in and compressing air makes for more powerful combustion.